Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As location, reviews and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category will Category 5. Category 6. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several categories of rooms are available. You can book and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Still link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are interested in this hotel, please share your experience in the comments. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, then you can subscribe our channel.